to my channel. Today we're going to play the C major scale with both hands. And in order to do that, we need to learn some music notations. Alright, let's dig in. This is the treble clef, also called the G clef. I'm sure you've seen it. It basically just notes the higher tones. For the moment, what your right hand plays will all be written in treble clef. If there are numbers on your sheet, they are for your fingers. Just look at the illusion, I think it's all explained. 1 is for your thumb and 5 for pinky, and it stands for both hands. Now let's start with the first note in the treble clef. This is a C, to be accurate, the 4th C on your keyboard. I call it the center C. How to find a C? Well, there are groups with 2 black keys and groups with 3 black keys. Find the groups with 2, and the white key on the left side is a C. Try to find all the C's on your keyboard. There are 8 of them. Once you find your center C, you can count your notes. The next one between the 2 lines is a D, and the next one is an E, and so on. It goes all the way to the next octave. While the notes goes up, your finger goes up accordingly. The white key next to C is a D, and the next one is an E. Now let's play. Play C with your thumb, D with your index finger, E with the middle finger. Thumb goes downward your hand and plays the F. G with the index finger, A with the middle finger, B with the ring finger, and C with the pinky. And now we reach the 5th C. I want you to go back again and repeat the scale for several times. Try to look at the notes while playing so that you can get a feeling where the notes stand on your keyboard and find them next time more quickly. Now give your right hand a bit rest and we come to the left hand. For your left hand, the notes are written in the bass clef, also called the F clef. This note between the 2nd and the 3rd line is the 3rd C on your keyboard. I know it's quite distracting here because 2 clefs are written in different notations, but believe me, you'll just get used to it very soon. And now let's play. Similar like your right hand, we go up one by one. G with your thumb. Now lift up your 3rd finger, cross the thumb, play the A with it. And you've paid attention, you would notice these 2 notes are the same. Yes, the center C. And before we try to put 2 hands together, it's necessary to go back again and repeat your left hand for several times. Are you ready for a small challenge? Let's play both hands together. When you really get comfortable in it, then play faster. Alright, I think that's enough for lesson 1. I prepared some homework for you. I want you to take some time to learn the notes. Practice it separately until you are fluent, and then put your hands together. I'll put the homework in my video description. This is my very first video. I would really appreciate it if you could leave a comment or any advices to help me getting better. Thank you very much. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next week.